Oh, you guys again. Oh. Babe, go back to sleep. I'm gonna go get this sweetheart installed today. Yeah, I just gotta let you know, this is a sponsored video today. Hotlap sent me this on the house. But you know I've been rocking with Hotlap for a while. They sent me this like infomercial on VHS. I had to get it digitized. Oh, it was such a pain in the ass. Anyways, check it out. I go for another quick snooze. See you in a bit.
Have you ever been riding around your scooter and your exhaust goes tumbling down the road behind you? Well, I got just the thing for you. Hotlap, Hotlap, Hotlap. It slices. It dices. It has perfect JDM welds. Unique and snazzy styling. Handmade in Japan. And it won't leave you stranded on the side of the road like a bozo. And if you order now, you get the snazzy JDM egg beater. It doesn't slice or dice, but it beats like a teenager with his meat. All styles now available on the website. Shipping and handling not included. Also on the website, check out our sweet new swag.
What the fuck was that guy? Anyways, we're out here in front of BP Racing. My buddy Tony suggested I come here. He's probably gonna get on a podcast later so you guys can meet him. But yeah, they're just inside working on it. Let's go check it out. My experience at GB Bikes was great. The owner Cole was super chill. They did a great job. They let me stick around, film. They're probably like, what the hell is this idiot doing? But I think it turned out well. Yeah, thanks to them.
I'll be back.
If you want to see more of how these pipes are handmade in Japan, I will put a link in the description. There's a video. It's like shows how he actually makes them. It's pretty crazy. My man Minakazu kills it. He's just a master of what he does. Arigato gozaimasu. Rio helped me with that one. So yeah, we installed the pipe. We did a couple other things. I changed my tires to these Pirelli Angel scooters, 2,900 baht. My old tires are pretty beat, so that needed to be done ASAP. There's a sound coming out of the CVT area. Turns out there was a bearing that was blown, so we swapped that out. 300 baht. I bought some black bars off Lazada. They didn't fit. Classic rookie move. They had some at the shop. I don't love the gold, but it works for now, so it's cool. New bars were 700 baht. Changed the oil, 180 baht. Added these sweet bar end mirrors. It really like cleans up the whole bar setup. Those were 900 baht. Labor was 500 baht. That was about 3 hours. All in, we're looking at 6,540 baht. Not bad, not bad. That's it. So if you like the video, finger that like button, bud. They relaxed some of the closures, so tattoo shops open again. So we're gonna head to Bangkok, finish up the tattoo, and I got some other stuff planned. So stay tuned, motherfucker.